Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the market. It's currently 4:27 p.m. December 9th, 2020, Wednesday, hump day, crazy day, IPO day, 2,000% stock moving day. Anyway, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. I really appreciate that. Let's grow the channel together. I'm looking to help you guys out, and I'm looking to you for help as well. So we're making a team effort here. GLSI, I'm just going to go over this real quick. I tried getting on the 80 move right here. Actually, I tried the 60 move after hours. These are after hours candles, 1 minute. And I was just too slow to it. I was just like, it's so risky. I didn't trade it all day. Up 2,000% at one point. Crazy, crazy. I just got to check something real quick. Wow. This thing falls below 12. It might be interesting back through 12, but it's really spready in the after hours. Very thin stock. I don't think I'm going to trade it. But anyways, GLSI, just an interesting player. I tried getting on the 80 break here. Just by a millisecond, I got jumped. I really thought I was going to get it, and it ran up to 87.50 in like 3 minutes. What's $7.50? I was only going to try it with 25 shares. I wasn't risking much. I had a decent day, and then I kind of got stupid in the afternoon. I kind of went back to my old ways, which is not good. Not old ways. I was just trading a rangy trade, and it just wasn't right. And I was up $270 at that point, and I gave a lot of it back. So I'm a little upset, but let's go over that, and we'll kind of break down what I saw. So that GLSI was insane. Yeah, this ridiculous Dash IPO. Pricing at 190 or whatever came out. Stupid, so overpriced. They just got so lucky. If this was 2 years ago, this would have been priced at like $30. But because we're in such a high flying market, yeah, DoorDash makes money and does well, but is it worth $109 a share? People made a fortune today, and it wasn't me, and it probably wasn't you. But let's go into the other IPO, but we'll get into that for a second. So I started my day actually pre-market on QS, my favorite stock lately. Took a pre-market trade, and I got 50 cents out of QS. It actually turned around for like 15 cents below my entry, and then ripped 2 points. I got to remember it does that a lot, where it doesn't just go. Sometimes it does, but sometimes it pulls back and then relaunches. I did not catch this move here, which was the move of the day for the stock, was the break of the 73 level. You would have to go endure some pain, but not much at all, like 50 cents. Well, it's a little bit, but on this type of stock, it's not too bad, and it ran up to 87.50. QS was on fire, kind of flattened out in the day. This is the stock that screwed me at the end of the day. I kind of tried changing this. I did this yesterday. I tried trading a rangy trade. The better trade was 80, never got there. And I saw 77.50. I think it was this candle here. Yeah, 77.50 hit high, and then 77.49. So I was looking for the 77.50 break, and it happened here. Went 20 cents and reversed hard on me. And that's what gave back a lot of my gains today. So QS was a little bit mean to me. That's what's crazy about stock market. You can love a stock, and then you can just fall out of love with it real quick. Stocks like Roku making all-time highs, up to 328.74. Crazy. THCB, I got a small little gain on this move here, reversed back down to entry, and then if I had taken the secondary move, it would have been a lot better, but I did not, and I got a little bit out of it, and then actually made a nice move through 16 at the end of the day, which I missed. I'm so busy with other things sometimes. I'm focused on my trading, but I miss these trades. There's just so much to watch, and I don't have all the screen. I need one more screen just for charts, so I can just kind of glance up and be like, oh, it's coming up. I have one screen dedicated, but they're dedicated to other charts. Let's just go with the two ones. Let's do the IPO. I did trade pretty well. PUBM, Pubmatic or something like that. It was the break of the 31 level right here. Actually, I jumped on this one really fast. Got a nice move up. Sold off pretty soon, and then I sold off for like $100 on this trade. It was really sweet. 2 points. But in IPO, it was whippy and fast and spready. And I was trying to hold. I was holding at the beginning, got a pretty good sell, and then I flushed myself out of it. But it did flush down at the end of the day, pretty good. So I did get my piece, walk away, no big deal. Quite happy with that one. But the stock I love today. Unfortunately, I didn't make any money on it. Was YQ. I traded this in the past, recent IPO. I think it was like 4 days ago I traded it. But it was the break of the opening price here. I missed this one, which was like $17.50. I jumped in a little early and got flushed down. Should have held on to it. Shoulda, coulda, woulda type of thing. Should have held on to it, and it flushed me down. I got out, and then I looked away, and then it goes. And $17.50 rips up to what? $19.75 without any pain. Here's $17.50 right here, and then $19.50 right there. So then the secondary move through the $19.50 on this candle here with a little. I tried taking it here. I got whipped down here, and then I could have taken it again. It was just like I kept trying to get in these things and not giving enough room. Unfortunately, I end up what did I end up with on that trade? So I ended up losing $10 on the trade, and that was my favorite stock of the day. Well, this was my favorite trade, and I just didn't nail it properly. Actually got some winnings back. I lost the first one, won the second one, and then lost the third one. It was unfortunate, but that's the way it goes sometime. And that pretty much sums up my day of trading. This GLSI is one of those stocks that almost gives me that mindset that we've topped out in the markets. There's just stupid. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. They kept just all these halts and everything about it. It just seemed dirty. There's a lot of volume on it, and supposedly the news on it is not real. So there's a lot of manipulation going on. I can't tell what is true and fake. So just be careful out there. I'm going to remain careful. I did make $100 today. Sorry about that. I did make $100, but I was up at 274 until I started taking these QS trades that are kind of rangy. My buddy was like, don't do it. And I was like, well, if this thing rips through this area, it's going to go to 80. And if it goes through 80, it's going to go 85. Yeah, well, guess what? It didn't. So stick with your trades, the setups you like, and don't veer away. I'm watching SLS here. We'll see if this. I like this through 7. I have it on this chart over here, actually 7. I had it set up for 7. If I trade it, I'll let you know. But I'm going to wrap up the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it, comment, all that good stuff. And I will be back Thursday to finish up Thursday. Hopefully I'll find some good trades for you guys. And let me know how your trading's going. Keep me posted, and I'll talk to you soon.